On December 5th, 2016, a 64-year-old maintenance worker's pelvis was fractured after it was struck by a sail at Canton, Ohio-based automotive steel manufacturer Republic Steel. The sail, which is a large clamp that holds the steel billet, struck the worker because lockout devices were not affixed to the machine's operating parts to stop the movement. The company now faces about $280,000 in fines, but not just because of the unguarded machine and the broken pelvis. A second investigation, opened 8 days after the pelvis problem, found that 7 workers had been exposed to excessive levels of lead, which is just not good for you. According to OSHA, the company failed to implement engineering controls to lower exposure to steel dust particulates, prohibit employees from eating in areas where lead exposure was possible, affixed locking devices to machine operating parts during maintenance, and replace damaged guard and stair rails. I mean, you heard that correctly. People were eating in an area that could have been exposed to lead. Didn't they taste it? Something is not right. That is not a banana. Or is a bad one. Over the last 10 years, Republic Steel has been cited for more than 250 safety and health violations at its facilities across the country. Just last year, the company was fined $121,000 because it failed to live up to a promise that it made to OSHA in 2014 to address previous health and safety violations, including a lack of lockout tagout devices and machine guarding, among other violations at a sister facility in Ohio. Republic Steel is a leading North American supplier of steel bars for automotive and industrial use. According to OSHA, the company has annual sales exceeding $1 billion. So, the last 2 violations, totaling about $401,000, accounts for about 0.04% or 4/10,000ths of the company's annual sales. So, that'll fix them. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.